Short guys, another tutorial, another song tayo. So, trending song mula kay Ma'am Miley Cyrus. Ang title ay Used to Be Young. So, 2 parts lang mga chords, madali lang ito. Pinasimple na natin para di kayo maguluhan at madali lang ninyong sundan, no? So, start na tayo kaagad. Strum pattern muna para may guide kayo kaagad sa strum. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So, timing na timing. I used to be down, okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So timing nga, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So timing na natin sa chords tayo. So 2 parts, ang unang part ay intro at verses. And the second part ay chorus. So first part muna tayo. Ito mga chords na ginamit. So madali lang, E. And then second chord ay isang G sharp minor. So 4th fret and 4th fret. Yan, F sharp minor, 4th fret. Okay? Then third chord ay C sharp minor, 4th fret. So gaya ng B minor, 4th fret. Okay? Then ang ikaapat na chord na ginamit natin ay A sus 2. So gaya ng A, remove na ito isa. So A siya, remove na ito isa. So tingnan natin na intro kasama string pattern, intro at verses na chords to. Up down up down down. Okay. So yung kakanta verses, kakanta si Ma'am. Na 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 down na 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 down down na na na. Okay. Up down up down down up down. Okay, down down, up, down, and then repeat lang, and then chorus naman, tapos ito lang mga chords, intro at verse, then chorus. So ito naman chords ginamit, so E pa rin, then this time ang second chord ay G sharp na. So kanina G sharp minor, ngayon dagdag natin ito, dagdag isa, ganun F, 4th fret. Then third chord, C sharp minor pa rin. And then para pasimplihin na sa buong kanta, A minor natin ginamit sa 4th chord. Okay? So E, G sharp, C sharp minor, then A minor. So ito rin nagagamitin natin sa ibang part, no? Pati sa bridge, kung merong bridge, ito rin. At lahat ng chorus part. So play natin na chorus. Tapos ng verse, play natin. Up, down, up, A minor, A minor. To be young. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? So, and then, tapos, repeat lang verse. Down, na, 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 repeat lang. Na, 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 na. So, twice ba? And then, repeat lang chorus. Ulitin lang, guys. Crazy. Pati sa ibang part guys, repeat lang ito. Pati sa instrumental, kung merong instrumental, no? Parang meron nata. Down, up, down, up, down. So, timing lang. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down. Ito yung merong part ng parang bridge. Repeat lang ito. So, 2 parts lang, pinasimple na ito. At para di kayo mahirapan sundan ng mga chords, no? 2 parts lang, intro at verses para sa first part, and then second part, the rest chorus, yung ibang part. Yan na lahat, pati ang string pattern. Request kayo, no? Kung meron kayong bagong kantang gustong i-request, check natin, comment lang kayo, try natin gawa ng tutorial. Kung kaya natin, gawin natin ng tutorial, no? Dito man video natin. See you sa mga next na uploads. Check na lang kung meron kayong hinasundan. Bye bye. Used to be young.